Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm here to make some smoothie again. Obviously, I stole the recipe from somebody, but it's okay. We don't want to talk about that. So here's my banana. Here is apple, 2 bananas, 2 apples, 1 pear, and Greek yogurt. Oops, Greek yogurt and natural yogurt. So what I want to say, the banana is looking like this because I was planning to make this smoothie like few days ago and I was just so tired I couldn't do that. And here we go. So we're going to wash our fruits. Obviously you're not washing the banana. Going to wash this. Now that's all washed and clean. So this is all chopped in bits and pieces. Now it's time to, I'm going to chop my banana into the blender as well and then mix everything together. It's all done.